The second option, how to create a strategy, is just a simple Google Sheet. It's even more used by me and my clients, yes, because it's more understandable for the clients what's going on. The number one priority for them is not all those connections, how, to see like we did in Myra. I've shown you, yes, this may be complicated, but for them, it's more important to understand what messages are sent after what messages and what texts are in those messages, in what copies, that's it. Okay, so that they can understand. And mostly I create such Google Sheets for my clients. When it's simple automation, for example, like this one, see, like we will create with you today, I create such columns where it says keyword, which triggers this bot, message one, link, follow-up one, follow-up two, follow-up three. Okay, these kinds of flows, they are mostly used when people need to give out the link to coaches or experts, your clients, or you need to give out the link to your sales page, for example, in your after the ads, after people, I don't know, comments in your post, stories, reels, anywhere, and you need to give out the sales page like this one. And we use follow-ups messages with the same link. So you can see the messages, follow-ups, links all in here. And this is very convenient because your clients can leave comments in here, see, like this, and see what's going on. They can edit the messages and mark with different colors when they are edited for you to change them in the bot. So it's very convenient. For example, like this one, it's very simple. And here, it's our very, very big automation for the project, e-commerce project, our loyalty program registration and all the flows that we've got in here, and see many, many, many different pages. See, with all the comments, everything in text, so what's connected. So the client can see what's going on, texts, follow-ups, yes, what's going on after, what we can do with different colors. So it's very convenient to edit and very convenient to understand and have it all in one. See different flows in here, like our support bot, our follow-ups for messages, different colors, the comments from the clients, your comments, different colors. So it's very convenient. And we can build the same in Google Sheet. I'm not going to send you the link to these sheets, spreadsheets, because these are the client's information. These are for my clients I built. And you just can see that, see, it's one flow. One flow goes like this, like here. And you can see what's happening. They can edit, they can give it to copywriter, leave comments, for example, like this, like here, see. And you can communicate in here and change everything you need in your automation. So like here, this is one flow goes here, and you can see what's going on every step. All the details, what's happening inside, the tags, the connections you do in your bot inside. It's not shown here because it's the internal stuff in ManyChat. But all the conversation, and you can also add pictures in here to show what kind of pictures you got, you can have in this Google spreadsheet. So in this sheet, we've got all the loyalty program consisting from different many flows, like 20 flows or something, and they are all here together, and the client can check, or you can see what's happening in every flow, on every message. It's very convenient.